Today I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender foundation, the Beauty Blender liquid foundation. I think you guys must have seen it everywhere, and it looks like this. They added more shades to this foundation because when they launched the foundation last year, they didn't have enough shade, which broke the internet the bad way, because I don't know why you can't just come out with all the shades. I don't understand. This afterthought, brands needs to stop doing it. I think they do it for the hype now. They don't do it for the right reason, because I don't understand. When you know that you can come out with more shades, why can't you just bring out all the shades at the same time? It doesn't make any sense. I don't think we should. I think we should just stop hyping, because I think when they come out with a foundation, I will say, oh, there's not enough shade. Why don't you come out with enough shade? That gets the foundation popular. That gets the brand popular. It's like the negative publicity is making them happy. And with dark skin girl, we always jump into the hype of, oh, they don't have our shade. If you don't have our shade, leave the brand alone. Can we just move on to another brand? Back to Beauty Blender and their foundation with no enough shade last year, but now they added more shade. Now we are like, okay, should we forgive you? Like, I'm just not into the hype anymore. But next time, come out with all the shades, then we will enjoy and clap for you like Fenty. Fenty tried. There's something about the packaging that is cute. This way, press it to the other side, yeah? Then you pump and get the foundation out. So to prime my face, I'm going to use the Makeup primer. This primer is delicious. Use the Beauty Blender, okay? Remember, I'm using the shade 4.30. So I take the Beauty Blender, matches my nails. How cute. Foundation is beautiful. Wow. Wow. Okay, Beauty Blender, you could have just got the shade right the first time. It's blending really well. I like it. That is the foundation done. For concealer, I'm going to use the YSL Touche Eclat. If I don't pronounce that one well, I'm a Niger girl. 100%. Like, I'm not here to form for anybody. If I did not pronounce this well, please, description bar, check the full name. Nobody should come for me. I'm not French. The new YSL concealer, I'm going to use this. I picked up the shade 8 and 6, one to contour and one to highlight. The packaging looks like this. Just pump and you get the product. This shade 8, I'll use the shade to contour my face. Let me blend out the contour inside first. Concealer is really hydrating on the face. Wow. I can't say anything else than wow. Anyway, this is a beautiful, expensive concealer, so I expect nothing less than to be wow. Like, just give me that glow. You see? Give it that glow without not adding any glow. So, is that from the foundation or from the concealer? I have no idea, but my skin looks good. But this concealer, you better use a powder to set, because it's going to crease on you. I use the Huda Beauty powder, the Easy Bake powder in the shade Kunafa. So for the foundation, I will advise after using it, clean it, and don't forget to click the button at the back to lock it down. Okay, so to set the contour area, I'm going to use the Rimmel London palette. I'll just use the contour one right here. It's the Huda Beauty brush. Set my face now. Back to the face. Now we are halfway with the eyes. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetic Pro Matte powder. This is one of my favorite setting powder. Yeah. I'm going to set using the Slay All Day Setting Spray by Gerard Cosmetic. Feel good. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the Primark highlighter. The Primark £2.50 highlighter. Light. Oh my god. I was not ready for that. Oh my god. I think I need to have a meeting with Primark. They can't be making high-end brand look bad like this. How can the £2.50 highlighter look like this? And we are out there buying highlighter for £50 or 30 something pound. That is £2.50 highlighter. Just spray my face one more time. This is the final look. I hope you guys like the makeup tutorial. For the foundation that I used today, the Beauty Blender foundation, it looks good, not a bad foundation. I just have problem with them coming out with more shade later, when they can just come up with more shade at the first time, which is everybody's problem now, because I feel brands are thinking of afterthought when they can just release the shades that they need to release, and we are praising them for it by always reminding them of what to do. I'm not about the hype of, oh, this is the shade we can come up with, then we'll release more later. That is so 20 whatever. This is 2019. We don't have to be an afterthought. If you want to release makeup, release makeup. If you don't want to, and you don't know how to do foundation or concealer, keep the plan to yourself. If the brand does not have your shade, just go and buy a brand that have your shades and move on. These days they can't satisfy everybody. That is just what I feel. Don't worry, I will buy mascara from you. I don't have to buy your foundation if you don't have my shade. That's what I'm just trying to say. And if you have more questions about the product, don't hesitate to ask me at the comment section. I know I've been slacking, guys, on YouTube. I promise to do better, guys. yeah, I promise to do better. It's just life. Okay, I'm good, but just get busy sometimes. Okay, just bear with me. I'll come out with more content for you guys. I'll try and come back. I'll try and come back later in the day to let you know how the foundation is holding up. But if I don't come back later in the day, I'll sure to answer the question at the comment section on how long I wore the foundation for and all that. Okay guys, I just come back from church. I've relaxed a bit and I'm just chilling. I want to take off my makeup. So let me come on here to give you guys the update on the foundation and the concealer that I use on my face. Beauty Blender foundation. The foundation is really flawless on the face, but they said the foundation is long wearing. Let's just say 6 hours plus or 7 hours of me wearing this makeup on my face. As you can see, they said the foundation is long wearing, but you can see the oil is coming through like my forehead, my nose area. Maybe because I've been in the kitchen cooking, I still feel it's not so long wearing. You have to block your face. But for the concealer, it's not moving. I really like the formula of the concealer. It was very easy to blend, and I must say it's not creasing. I just have food underneath my eyes. It's not creasing, and I used the Huda Beauty setting powder to set my face today, so that helps. Just the nose area and the forehead. My forehead is really shining, really shining. Like this step, when I'm out, if I do this step, I just go in with my facial spray again and just spray my face to just give me that glow back, and it will look fresh, and it will just look as if you just applied the makeup again. But for now, you see the shine is no longer there. I can wear this makeup for another 4 hours plus, which is nice. My face looks brand new. You can see it looks good. All right, I'll give this foundation a thumbs up. It was nice, but it's not so long wearing. I've just worn it for 7 hours. You can see the oil peeping through, so you have to block your face. Yeah, you have to block your face. But if you can find your shade, I would recommend this foundation to you. And the concealer is Bomb by YSL. That concealer is amazing. Blend really well, flawless on the face, smooth on the skin. Good concealer. Thank you so much for watching this makeup tutorial. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Have a nice day guys. Bye.